Hello, my name is Tatiana Williams, and I will be presenting my Social-Ecological Framework assignment for Dr. Danielle Reed's class, EVPC 201, Environmental Issues. For my final project, due at week 5, I chose to focus on mobile dog grooming and its effects on biodiversity loss. Therefore, this will be the main focus of my framework today, as we glance into the world of mobile grooming and its relations with human, anthropogenic, ecological, and environmental factors. We humans are no novice to the field of carbon consumption, and our carbon footprint collectively can end up being a long list. So let's tune into mobile grooming and its role in climate change. As referenced by the EPA, carbon dioxide is released from a vehicle's tailpipe through combustion. Although unburned fuel is initially in the state of carbon monoxide, containing only one carbon and one oxygen molecule, through oxidation it receives an additional oxygen molecule when released into the atmosphere through this chemical reaction, combustion. Carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere increase as a result of this. Because carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, meaning it traps warmth within the Earth's atmosphere, this triggers the ongoing battle today known as climate change. And climate change has many frontiers of approach, almost like an endless cycle of start and end. Moving to the right of this model, an increase in the Earth's temperature causes the water from the Earth's surface to evaporate. These bodies of water include oceans, seas, streams, and so on. Consequently, the water vapors in the atmosphere increase, which NASA in a 2008 report found acts as a prominent greenhouse gas itself. Water vapors thrive in warmer temperatures, increasing the humidity levels and therefore raising the temperatures. The evaporation of bodies of water such as glaciers, which act as a reflective beam for Earth, as well as water vapors trapping in heat, all aid in climate change, which, following to the left side now, can have further repercussions for life here on Earth. Extreme weather patterns occur more frequently and unexpectedly. Events such as prolonged drought seasons, terrible wildfires, mild winters, tornadoes, etc., all occur in atypical manners. These extreme weather events affect land through erosion and bodies of water through temperature and man-facilitated pollution. Extreme weather patterns cause erosion on the land and affect primary producers, which then affect our food chain and therefore our ecological system here on Earth. Furthermore, invasive species move into other habitats looking for food and shelter to get away from climate change and the biodiversity loss going on within their own community. Therefore, mobile grooming has its effects and plays its part in climate change and biodiversity loss in this ecosystem. References.